Hi, good day, Dr. Mohammad Nafizuddin and dear friends. I'm from Infinity Group, myself Muguneswari Arasan. I'm going to introduce my group members also. Mugilersi Arasan, Kelly Subhashini Velaidevan, Emashni Ranganathan. We choose Astro and Maxis for our project. The first company we choose is Maxis. Maxis Berhad is a communication service provider in Malaysia. Maxis providing a variety of communication products and applications. Founder of Maxis is Mr. Ananda Krishnan. Maxis founded in year of 1993.
Hi, good day, Prof. I'm Kelly Subhashini, matrix number GA04540. I'll start my presentation with the intro of Astro. Astro is also known as All Asian Satellite Television and Radio Operator. It's a Malaysian satellite television provider, operates in Malaysia and also in Brunei. The company is owned by Astro Holdings Sdn Berhad, which also known as Astro Overseas Limited. Is the first media and entertainment company holding began as a paid digital satellite radio and television service, founded by Dato Ananda Krishnan in the year 1996. According to the year 2019, their revenue is 5.480 million. Our group will be presenting about the profitability ratio, and it is measured with operating margin, profit margin, basic earning point BEP, return on assets ROA, and return on equity ROE. Okay, I'll start with the operating margin. According to the graph, in the year 2015, Astro has a low sales percentage, which is 13.78%, compared to the Maxis slightly higher 28.61%. In the year 2018, Maxis has a drop with 25.77% in sales and even experienced a drastic drop in the year 2019 with 21.86%. If you look at the graph there, you can see there's a fall from 2018 to 2019. Okay, compared to Astro, it has a rise up in the year 2018 with 19.40% and then drops in the year 2019 at 11.88%. Okay, from here we can see that both of these company experienced a drop beginning from the year 2018 to 2019.
Hi, my name is Mugilersi Arasan. I'm going to explain about profit margin and basic earning power of Maxis and Astro. Profit margin is one of the commonly used profitability ratios to gauge the degree to which a company or business activity makes money. It represents what percentage of sales has turned into profits. For example, in the year 2015, Astro Holdings has a low profit 9.82 percentage compared to Maxis had 20.31 percentage. From year 2016 till 2019, Maxis Berhad profit has fall and rise equally, but Astro Holdings has rise up till 13.81 percentage profit in year 2018 and then falls 8.41 percentage profit in year 2019. Basic earning power is useful for comparing firms in different tax situations and with different degrees of financial leverage. This ratio is often used as a measure of the effectiveness of operations. Basic earning power measures the basic profitability of assets because it excludes consideration of interest and tax. This ratio should be examined in conjunction with turnover ratios to help pinpoint potential problems regarding asset management. Calculated by dividing earnings before interest and tax by total assets. Astro Holdings has more earning power than Maxis Berhad. In the year 2015, Astro earns more than Maxis, drastically more 100.93% and Maxis is 12.96% earning power. Astro kept growing till 2018 and falls in year 2019 with 95.91% earning power. Maxis has high earning power in year 2017, 20.01% 35% and then falls to 10.76% in year 2019. This summarizes both companies as rise up and falls in their earning power. Return on asset is an indicator of how profitable a company is relative to its total asset. ROI gives the manager, investor, or analyst an idea as to how efficient a company's management is at using its asset to generate earnings. Return on asset is displayed as a percentage. The higher the percentage, the more efficient the company runs and controls their asset. Astro controlled their asset efficiently compared to Maxis. Since 2015, the ratio increased from 71.93% to under 16.94% in year 2018 and falls slightly into year 2019 at 67.88%. Maxis has a rise and fall pattern in its asset management. In year 2015, it has 9.20% and rise to 13.30% and then falls to 9.50% in year 2019.
Myself, Hemashni Ragnathan, will be presenting on return on equity, in short ROE for both companies. ROE is a measure of financial performance calculated by dividing net income by shareholders' equity, because shareholders' equity is equal to a company's assets minus its debt. ROE is considered the return on net assets. In other words, ROE measures a company's profitability against the profit it has kept for the business. The return is the profit over the last 12 months. A higher profit will lead to a higher ROE, so a high ROE is better than a low one. According to the chart, Astro manages its assets wisely in gaining profit. This is because the ROE ratio shown is lesser compared to Maxis, but it is still considered under control. In the year 2018, Astro rose to 10.87%, which shows a gain from the year 2015, but then dropped to 6.68% in the year 2019. The average of 3 years from 2015 to 2018 shows that the Astro management measures and controls their assets, aiming in gaining profits. It is quite different with Maxis, where it falls and rises equally, which also means Maxis manages its assets to gain profit equally with their sales. That is the reason why Maxis shows higher than Astro. Thank you.
Thank you.